brought you all my crowded noise, filled up the space, afraid of choice, afraid to hear what you might say. So I kept talking anyway. But in the quiet of my room, a gentle pressure, holy wound, the kind of ache that makes me still, the kind that bends my stubborn will. And in that pause where I could not pretend, I heard the sound of silence, love that doesn't need a word. You broke the rush inside me with a stillness I had never heard. You wrote your peace upon my chest, turned all my chaos into rest. In the sound of silence, I've chased 1,000 louder things, bright distractions on borrowed wings, but every echo fades away when your soft whisper calls my name. You're in the space between my thoughts, the quiet mercy that I'd lost. You meet me where the noises end and call me child, and call me friend. So I let go and fall into your hands. I hear the sound of silence, a love that doesn't need a word. You break the rush inside me with a stillness I have never heard. You write your peace upon my chest, turn all my chaos into rest. In the sound of silence. You're in the breath between my sentences, you're in the waiting when my strength is spent, you're in the hush before the healing comes, you're in the cross, you're in the empty tomb, you're in the tear that finally lets me grieve, you're in the laugh I never thought I'd breathe, you're in the space where every fear must run, you're in the silence speaking. You are loved, you are loved. Now I trust the sound of silence more than every shouted fear. You hold the weight inside me till the only thing I feel is clear. You write your peace upon my chest, tell my uneasy heart to rest. In the sound of silence. In your sound, the sound of silence.